Heya guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's look I'm going to show you how to do a summer eye makeup. So do watch it and let's get started. Apply a concealer for the eye base. Take a lighter eyeshadow and apply it on your crease. Take yellow and apply on the inner side of the eyelid. Take more and blend it with your crease. Take orange and apply on the outer side of your eyelid and blend it with your crease and yellow. Apply a peachy golden shimmer and take it a little higher till your crease and blend it. Take brown and apply on your outer eyelid and create a V shape and blend it. Curl your lashes with a lash curler. Apply kajal on the inner side of your lashes to make it look dark. Apply false lashes. Take some yellow and apply on the inner eye. Apply highlighter below your brows, on your cheeks, and your T-zone. Lastly, apply some light mascara on your lower lashes and apply light kajal. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon.